Hey everyone, looking to transform your living room into the ultimate home theater experience? Today, we're counting down the top 10 best gadgets for home theater setups on Amazon, and trust me, these picks are going to take your movie nights and binge-watching sessions to the next level. Make sure to watch till the end, because I've saved a unique gadget that might just be the secret ingredient to achieving that cinematic feel at home. Plus, I've added links to all these fantastic products in the description below, so you can easily check them out. If you love exploring the latest in home tech, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and recommendations. Alright, let's dive in and discover the perfect gadgets to elevate your home theater setup. Number 10, Fire TV Stick 4K. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Fire TV Stick 4K. Picture this, it's Friday night, and you're ready for a movie marathon. You've got your snacks ready, but what to watch? With this little device plugged into your TV, you can access thousands of movies and shows from popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Prime Video, all at the click of a button. The Fire TV Stick not only delivers stunning 4K visuals but also comes with Alexa voice control, so you can search for your favorite flicks without lifting a finger. Just say, "Alexa, play my favorite movie," and let the magic happen. Number 9, Roku Streaming Stick 4K. At number 9, we have the Roku Streaming Stick 4K. Imagine this, you're flipping through channels when you realize you've missed out on some great shows. With Roku, all your favorite content is in one place. Its user-friendly interface makes navigation a breeze, and with features like 4K HDR streaming, you'll enjoy vibrant colors and sharp details. Plus, it comes with a handy remote that has voice search capabilities. Just say what you want to watch, and Roku will find it for you. You'll never miss another episode again. Number 8, Logitech Harmony Elite Remote. Coming in at number 8 is the versatile Logitech Harmony Elite Remote. Picture this, your coffee table is cluttered with remotes for your TV, sound system, and streaming devices. With the Harmony Elite, you can consolidate all those remotes into one sleek device. Imagine controlling everything from your cable box to smart lights with just a single click. You can even set up customized activities like watch movie that turn on your TV, dim the lights, and switch on your sound system all at once. It's perfect for creating that cinematic atmosphere without any hassle. Number 7, Sonos One Smart Speaker. At number 7 is the impressive Sonos One Smart Speaker. Imagine this. You're watching an epic action movie when suddenly you realize the sound isn't quite immersive enough. Enter the Sonos One. This smart speaker delivers rich, room-filling sound that enhances every scene. Plus, it has built-in voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant, so whether you want to adjust the volume or check movie times, just ask. You can even pair it with other Sonos speakers for a surround sound experience that will make you feel like you're in a theater. Number 6, Bank HT2050A Projector. Sliding into number 6 is the fantastic Bank HT2050A Projector. Picture this, you've invited friends over for a movie night under the stars in your backyard. With this projector, you can create a massive screen experience anywhere. It delivers stunning 1080p resolution and vibrant colors that bring your favorite films to life. Imagine setting up a cozy outdoor theater with blankets and snacks while everyone enjoys a cinematic experience like no other. It's perfect for summer nights or cozy indoor movie marathons. Number 5, Samsung Q60T QLED TV. Claiming our 5th spot is the stunning Samsung Q60T QLED TV. Imagine game day arrives, and you want every detail of the action to pop on screen. With quantum dot technology, this TV offers incredible color accuracy and brightness that makes everything look amazing, whether you're watching sports or diving into a thrilling drama series. Plus, its sleek design means it'll fit perfectly into any home theater setup. You'll feel like you're right there in the action. Number 4, JBL Bar 9.1 Soundbar. At number 4 is the immersive JBL Bar 9.1 Soundbar. Picture this, you're watching an epic sci-fi blockbuster when suddenly an explosion shakes your living room thanks to the soundbar's powerful surround sound. With detachable speakers that provide true wireless surround sound and Dolby Atmos support, you'll feel completely immersed in every scene. It's like having a mini theater right in your home. Plus, its sleek design means it won't clutter up your space. Number 3, Oculus Quest 2 VR Headset. At number 3 is the mind-blowing Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. Imagine stepping into another world where you can explore new dimensions or battle aliens, all from your living room. This headset offers an incredible VR experience with stunning graphics and immersive gameplay that will leave you breathless. Whether you're gaming or enjoying virtual experiences with friends, it adds a whole new layer of excitement to your home entertainment setup. Number 2. Elgato Game Capture Card. Almost at the top. At number 2 is the powerful Elgato Game Capture Card. Picture this: you're ready to stream your gaming sessions live to friends or followers but want to ensure everything looks professional. This capture card allows you to record and stream gameplay in stunning quality. Whether you're playing on console or PC, Elgato makes it easy to share your gaming adventures with the world while providing seamless integration with popular streaming software. Number 1. Sony A8H OLED TV. And finally, taking our top spot at number 1 is none other than the breathtaking Sony A8H OLED TV. Imagine having a screen so vivid that every color bursts to life as if you're looking out a window rather than at a television. With perfect blacks and stunning contrast ratios thanks to OLED technology, you'll experience movies and shows like never before. Every detail pops right off the screen. Plus, its smart features make streaming effortless. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy an unparalleled viewing experience. And that wraps up our list of the best gadgets for creating the ultimate home theater experience. Whether you're a movie buff, a binge watcher, or a gamer, I hope you found something that will elevate your setup and make your viewing experience unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps support the channel. And remember, all the links to these amazing gadgets are in the description below, so you can easily grab the ones that caught your eye. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech tips and reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.